How to buy a single-user ChartExpo subscription in Excel. Following versions of Excel are supported by ChartExpo. Subscription is only available as an in-app purchase. Kindly install ChartExpo, and then buy a subscription. Install ChartExpo in 4 steps. Open Excel, click on Add-ins. Click on More Add-ins. Search for ChartExpo. Click on Add button. Launch Microsoft Excel. Click on the Add-ins button. Once the ChartExpo add-in is installed, it should display in My Add-ins. Click on the menu icon. Click on the subscription menu option. The cost of ChartExpo subscription is $10 per user per month. Select your preferred payment method: PayPal, Google Pay, or credit card. You can buy monthly or yearly subscription. Following are the subscription options. 1 month only, the subscription will automatically cancel after 1 month. Monthly recurring subscription, renews every month, you can cancel anytime. One year only, the subscription will automatically cancel after 1 year. Yearly recurring subscription, renews every year, you can cancel anytime. Please select an option. Let's discuss all 3 payment methods, starting with PayPal. Click on the Checkout with PayPal button. If you already have a PayPal account, please log in to proceed to the checkout page. If you don't have a PayPal account, you can use Guest Checkout. Click on the Pay with Debit or Credit Card button. Kindly complete the fields, then click on the Agree and Subscribe button. Click on the Continue button. Click on the Reload Add-in button. You have successfully purchased a subscription and are now ready to use the ChartExpo add-in. Now, let's explore Google Pay payment method. Select Google Pay payment method from the drop-down list. Click on the Checkout with Google Pay button. Click on the Buy with Google Pay button. This email will be used for payment. Kindly complete the fields, then click on the Pay button. Click on the Continue button. Click on the Reload Add-in button. You have successfully purchased a subscription and are now ready to use the ChartExpo add-in. Now, let's explore credit card payment method. Select credit card as payment method from the drop-down. Click on the Pay with Credit Card button. Kindly complete the fields. Click on the Pay with Credit Card button. Click on the Continue button. Click on the Reload Add-in button. You have successfully purchased a subscription and are now ready to use the ChartExpo add-in. We appreciate your business. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.